Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're doing 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the office niche. These keywords are incredibly profitable. They are low competition, high demand, and we are using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of today's keywords. Now, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Nora. I do daily videos where I talk about profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand, and they've also been carefully researched using free as well as paid Chrome extensions and methods as well. If you're interested in these kind of videos, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. Now, with that being said, there will be 2 free trials linked in the description box below this video. One for Creative Fabrica, 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors as well as covers. Next will be a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, which allows you to properly create and format KDP interiors and covers. Now let's get started, and our first keyword out of the 4 for the day, and our first keyword is planner for office manager. This is an amazing keyword with a lot of potential. Now, Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension gives us this beautiful juicy data right over here just under the keyword, and it has given us a score of 100. This is the highest that Self-Publishing Titans has offered us for this keyword, and it's really good as well. Also, it beautifully matches the data that we have right over here. The total results are under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 941. And the average bestseller rank is under 300,000. Now, I usually like it to be under 100,000, which is ideal. And this one also checks the box. And the bestseller rank for this keyword is 46,103. We've got an average reviews of 1,005, which is absolutely beautiful and massive. And we've got an average price of $13.19. Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 5 for the keyword niche score, which contradicts the data given by the Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. So in this case, I'm going to stick with Self-Publishing Titans because not only is the niche score really high, green light, ready to go, but also the data beautifully matches the number 100 given right over here. Scrolling down as well, we do want to look for 2 to 3 books minimum on the first page that are not sponsored that have a bestseller rank of under 100,000, which is another beautiful indicator right here. As usual, I'm going to avoid the top 4, which are all sponsored, and head right down here. We've got books with the bestseller rank under 100,000. We've got this one for 5,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. Next up, we've got other ones as well that are selling beautifully. 8,000, 2,000 as the bestseller, 2,000, 69,000, 26,000, 24,000. All the ones that I'm seeing right here all have a bestseller rank of under 100,000. 52, 2,000, 4,000, 2,000. Next up, we've got 9,000. So as you can tell here, just on the first page, I have not managed to find one book that has a bestseller rank above 100,000, which is a great indicator as well. So apart from the juicy data that we have right here that checks all the boxes and a really good keyword niche score, this keyword is fabulous. Another thing why I love this keyword is that it is a short tail keyword. It allows you a lot of opportunity to have to sub niche if you wish to do so. So it tells us what is needed. We need to create a planner, and we need to create it for the purpose of being for the office manager in an office setting. So it doesn't really provide us with any details about the sizing. It doesn't also provide us with any detail about the target audience. Who are they? What are the specifics? What do they enjoy? For example, it doesn't say if it's for men, for women. It doesn't say if it's for seniors. It doesn't say if it is for people that work in specific office managerial type of positions where we need to customize. This all will provide us an opportunity to have to sub niche and to be creative as well. And we need to think, we can go ahead and just create a planner like that by itself, but it's also really good for us to dive into mini niches that will create further opportunities as well. So this keyword would be an optimal keyword to use for the title or for the subtitle. Also, if you currently have books that are in your portfolio that are live and active that fit this keyword, then go ahead and update these 7 keyword slots by adding this keyword as one of the 7 and watch the results and watch the beautiful visibility start to increase. And I've tried that strategy multiple times, and I'd actually have a schedule where I go in every 3 to 4 months and I update some of the books that are sitting in the portfolio, update it with new keywords that are of course a good fit to that in terms of the 7 keyword slots, and they bring beautiful results in, and they do really make a reset and a refresh in terms of the visibility for these books that are sitting in the portfolio. So let's go ahead and go to keyword number 2, and our keyword number 2 is office layout planner, and this is also amazing. We've got a keyword niche score of 91 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. Also, Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 9, categorizing this beautiful keyword as a great niche. So in terms of the strength of this keyword, both main Chrome extensions have agreed and come together to agree that this is a wonderful, strong keyword in terms of its score. Also, the total results are below 5,000 and they're sitting at 3,272. The average bestseller rank is also below 100,000, which is ideal, and it is averaging 90,685. Average reviews are 725 and average price is $15.36. Scrolling down as well, as usual, avoiding the top 4 books that are sponsored. Coming down, we've got all of these 4 with the bestseller rank of under 100,000. This one, for example, 3,000. We've got 5,000, 2,000, 2,000 again. Next up, we've got 8,000 as the bestseller rank, another 2,000, another 2,600, 8,000. We've got 36,000 as well. So as you can see here, we've met the requirement of at least 2 to 3 books on the first page with a bestseller rank under 100,000, and that is also great. We also have a confirmation in terms of the score and the juicy data right over here confirming the profitability of this niche. Now this niche is also a short tail keyword, which the same exact thing also for the previous keyword in terms of it's not really detailed, which will serve us best in terms of we need to be able to say, okay, what do I need to create this for? Should I just create a general office layout planner, or should I create a specific one, for example, as a travel size, which is a 6x9, or should I do it as a pocket size, 8.5 times 8.5, or should I do it as a large print, which is an 8.5 times 11 inches? It's all up to you. Now let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and it's also office related, medical office daily planner, and this one's also amazing as well. Self-publishing Titans has given us a keyword niche score of 99, really high and really beautiful, and it beautifully matches all this data right over here, starting with the total results under 2,000 and sitting at 1,420. Average bestseller rank is under 100,000 and it is averaging 33,199. Average reviews are 843 and average price is $13.50. This one here is a little bit between that short tail, long tail keyword, where it has what we need to get started, but we have a little bit of extra detail right here. It is an office medical planner and it is daily, so make sure that to include daily as part of the main it's going to be a daily planner. So what can we include in a daily planner that's designed for office medical use? Also remember, what do office planners look like that are medical? They're minimalistic, they're straight to the point, they may be structured, they may be having different data sets in terms of what is needed in the medical field as well. Do your own research, have a look at Creative Fabrica, see what it has to offer as well. I'll try to include some free templates in the description box below after uploading that video of some ideas to help you get started in the medical office daily planner niche. Scrolling down as well, avoiding the top 4, we've got the books with the bestseller rank under 100,000. First up, it is 28,000, 2,700, 37,000, 23,000. Another thing you want to bear in mind is just the covers as well. For example, we've got a couple of really good covers that are quite minimalistic, and that's what we need to focus on in the majority of the time for this kind of niche, because think about the audience who would be using a medical office daily planner. It's either secretary, it's either the doctors, either the staff, the nursing staff as well. So what kind of covers, what kind of details do they need to opt in data as well for this kind of thing? So we've got 30,000, we've got 8,000, we've got 2,000, we've got 72,000 as well. All these meet the minimum of 2 to 3 books under 100,000 for the bestseller on the first page. Let's head to the fourth keyword for the day, and our fourth keyword is office daily planner 2024 to 2025 for work. And this is a beautiful long tail keyword. It has what we need to get started, but one thing's missing, which is the sizing, and that again is completely up to you. So starting with the niche score, it has a niche score of 100, total results are 2064, and average bestseller rank is 18,096, average reviews is 765, average price is $15.30. We have a really good keyword niche score of number 9 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and it's absolutely amazing when it comes to how much information it has in that keyword, where we're creating a daily planner. It's going to be yearly, so we're no longer going to be creating 2024 because it's over, but we can do it 2025 to 2026. Of course, there would be a little bit of an issue when it comes to not including 2024 in that keyword because it's no longer valid. Another strategy we could do is to take that exact keyword, since it's still trending and it still has profitability, viability. We could just take that keyword and opt it in the 7 keyword slots for any office planner that is yearly that we want to create. So it starts to gain traction and it starts to work for this keyword right here as well. So that's another great strategy. Let me know if you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you would like me to continue with the profitable keywords KDP niche or a video series, or if you would like me to try something different. Take care and have a great day.